I'm not coming with you.
So the old flu did the trick, mate.
One, Matt. One only.
Oh, you seen the rust marks in yellow? Yeah. That's what I said. It's always on the joint. But that top piece is the stainless.
Oh, okay.
The one at the top.
Yeah.
The last piece is the stainless metal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two shots.
The last piece is all stainless.
One.
One, Matt.
It's all stainless is better.
One.
It doesn't corrode as quick as like that.
You shoot 22.
That's just normal mild steel.
Stainless. Well, mine's stainless, but it goes all fucking
Been there, done that.
brown and shit.
Yeah, the colour.
That looks better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine goes all off.
Yeah, but what you got to do before you use it is coat the inside with top. Yeah. You get
Quietest.
some thinners, wipe it out with a rag on a broom handle.
Then we
Wipe
got
out the thinners.
one there's a
and then get
250
some heat
feet a
paint.
second.
Either spray it or you just pour it in and just roll it. And coat the whole inside with heat paint.
Whatever's the
And
quietest,
that
baby.
will never ever discolour. Ever.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually gonna
Is that the
kick
safety
out
mode?
trees. You know what I
Uh-huh.
mean? Yeah.
Do you reckon we should play bowling?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a game of bowling?
Let's go.
You're on holidays.
I need to sleep.
Coming in.
Go and go out.
Come on.
Stay here. No use poo.
How you turn the SL light off?
Light
Oh.
switch.
Draco, stay. Move.
You want to go
Move.
off?
Oops,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
Ah, it's dark.
Turn the light off.
Where are you going to fight, down there or off
Yeah,
here?
down
Which way you firing?
there.
Oh, Maddie, I've
that
got
way,
me things on.
I'd be firing it down towards the driveway.
Yeah.
I need to change my suit shoes.
Yeah, there we go. All wearing fucking socks.
Yeah, I don't want to wreck these.
You want to fire it that way,
Which way that way?
straight. Where you going to be standing?
Right, no, Daddy. Can we turn that light off?
It's just
Yeah.
a switch here. DJ.
Top and bottom one. Top and middle one.
Where should
you
I
gonna-
shoot?
Just stay there.
Stay here.
I'd move around a bit more. Come over here.
I can't see you.
You don't want to though.
Walk to your right.
You right?
Yeah, keep on walking.
Into the tree you go.
Yeah, there. Right, and
Shoot that way.
no. Stand still, and I'll tell you. If she points a torch at you, and not me,
That light on that phone. On the...
Fucking dark. I can't even see.
okay, hold the rifle up. Down. Oh, you're going to point it down, yeah.
He's going to
Yeah,
shoot
that
the
direction There, you
grass.
can fire.
Turn light off.
Straight down
Jump
towards
over
the
this
drive,
side.
near the drive.
Near the tree.
It's got a fucking dog with you.
Spiders.
Just
Snakes.
stay towards your right, or to your left, sorry, not the right. So you're moving more to your left.
Right. So it's out here.
Don't point it up.
Yeah, no, I won't.
Yeah, that direction.
Fuck, it's done you loud.
Light on or off?
Yeah, he's going to
Um,
clear.
Turn the light off.
Not
Ready,
yet.
set, go.
Wait,
Can you
wait,
see the
wait,
barrel?
wait.
Wait.
What are you getting, bud?
Here, because I see the muzzle flash better here.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Loaded. Ready? Five,
yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ouch.
Turn the light off. That echoed like a bitch.
Fuck yeah.
Well, you're in a fucking valley. What do you think? Mate,
Dogs are going nuts inside.
you're not fucking doing a bloody another one.